Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is Chrysler Group Certified 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E2230P. Only 8,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black onyx in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. This Grand Caravan seats 7, leather interior. Stone ghost seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights, along with rear heat and air control and DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. There are also sunshades on all of the rear windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob, or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload music through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and only 8,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.